Here we go.
So this is me with what's left of a shotgun, and I'm going to shoot Ronnie. Do I just shoot it? Stand still.
Don't hit him in the face.
I'm gonna try really hard. Face your back to me. Did I even hit you?
Nope.
Oh, give me another one.
Don't hold the...
I'm afraid of it.
Don't hold that part.
What part?
That's what springs forward. You have to hold it like that.
I have to hold it like this? Okay.
Alright, enough of that.
Oh, don't go too far.
Feel it.
Stay right there.
Mine's there
Is
somewhere.
there a mark? I don't want to be shot. I don't want to be shot.